Guys, welcome back, and today we are doing a wheel clean. Now my actual plan was to take the car up in the air, take the wheels off and do a proper deep clean, but I bought these brushes instead, so that'll come at a later date. So these are the Yum Cares or Yum Cars wheel brush set. They're like the wheel woolies. Slims do their own version as well, and then we also have an angled brush to get behind the wheels. It's more around the calipers really. Now this isn't really going to benefit too much on my wheels because there's actually a recess behind each bar, so it's not going to get everything out, but it's going to get some out. So today specifically we're just going to look at these and see how well these clean, see how versatile they are, and I ain't going to do too much talking. I'll then just do a maintenance wash on the 350 and we'll see how it goes.
Oh, never in my life did I want to see you more than this. And every time you're lost, I wonder if you know you're missed. I'm breathing when I can, and I only hope you're watching this. I hope you know that I exist. Mission control, do you read me? Send me my coordinates later.